Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily adjust quantities on your products inside the Shopify. So let's say we have our store already rocking and we need to add some values, we need to add some products, and also we need to check how many shirts or I don't know, boots, in my case shoes, I'm selling, how much I have. So we want to go to products. As you can see, we have 13 in stock, 2 in stock, 10 in stock, and once we click on the product itself, running shoes in my case, we can easily add like quantity in here like this. But I find it very, very clunky. So let's go to inventory. And when we are in the inventory, we see that we can easier add the number of products like this. Like, let's say you got a shipment of speed walking sandals. And just like that, you can add more and more into available option. This is very nice and very fast way how you can do it without any problems. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.